This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull for day trading on mobile. First, download the Webull application from your device's App Store. Next, complete the straightforward account registration and verification steps. To qualify as a pattern day trader, you will need to fund your account with at least $25,000. Finally, ensure you enable advanced trading permissions in your settings to access all necessary features for active trading. Now, let's personalize your trading environment for maximum efficiency. Head over to the Quotes tab to see live market data. Create a custom watch list with your favorite stocks for easy monitoring. Adjust your chart settings to include essential indicators such as volume and various moving averages. Consider setting up quick trade buttons. These allow for incredibly rapid order entry, which is crucial for fast-paced day trading. With your layout ready, it's time to understand placing trades. Familiarize yourself with various order types, including market, limit, and stop-loss orders, which are vital for managing risk. Use hotkeys or those quick trade buttons we discussed for swift execution, as every second counts. Always monitor your open positions and real-time profit or loss. Remember to practice extensively with paper trading first to build confidence. Finally, effective risk management and a solid strategy are paramount for success. Before each trading day, define clear profit targets and strict maximum loss limits. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital on every single trade. Be cautious and avoid over-leveraging your account with excessive margin, as this can amplify losses. Regularly review your trading performance to continuously refine and improve your overall strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.